Top 10 C and C++ projects for beginners to improve their skills. Here we will see some top C and C++ projects for beginners to upskill themselves. One of the best ways to master the concepts of any programming language is to create a project in that particular language. Making a project will help you gain a good hold of the language as well as its fundamentals. C and C++ projects are more trends. Nowadays, C and C++ gave programmers high control over memory and system resources. C and C++ projects for beginners are the best way to start a career in this field. If you know any other programming language, C and C++ projects for beginners will be easy to learn. Even otherwise, C and C++ are friendly languages, and it will be easy to learn through some hands-on top C and C++ projects in practice. In this video, we will enlist the top 10 C and C++ projects for beginners to improve their skills. Login and registration system. This is one of the simplest projects to start with to learn about file systems in C++. The project involves a user registration process by asking username and password upon successful registration. The user file is created with the credentials. If the user does not exist upon login, an error will be shown. You will also learn how to use Visual Studio to create a simple project. Top 9 car rental system. This is a trendy project and very useful for learning about keyboard events, date-time functions, and implementing a C++ login system. The program has separate menus for the admin and other users. There are also methods to calculate fares based on time and distance, including displaying car details, availability, etc. Top 8 bookshop inventory system. This is a simple project where the system maintains the inventory of books in a bookshop. If a customer purchases a book, the book's count will decrease. If a book is added, the same is updated. Notice the use of pointers. You can modify the code to add a book ID and make the search based on that book ID, or make the search using just one parameter giving multiple results, and so on. Top 7 student report management system. Through this project, we can learn a lot about input or output streams and the file management system of C++. Our program collects student details like name, roll number, and marks in each subject and calculates their grade. This is the simple console APP. Note that we focus only on the correct inputs in this project, and you can enhance it to handle wrong inputs. Top 6 casino number guessing game. This is an exciting project where we will learn about the library used for random numbers, CSTTLD. The program asks for a betting amount and then asks the user to guess a number on rolling. If the random number generated matches the user input, he wins. Else money is deducted. The user can keep playing until he loses all the amount he put in initially. Top 5 Sudoku game. We all know about the popular Sudoku game, wherein we need to arrange numbers from 1-9 such that they appear only once in a row and column of a 9 grid. The program uses the concept of backtracking. In this program, we have hard-coded the initial values, but you can also get the same input from the user. Top 4 credit card validator. This is a simple project that uses Loon's algorithm to validate a user's credit card. The program works for all popular cards like Visa, Amex, MasterCard, etc. Loon's algorithm checks for basic validations. For example, a Visa card should start with 4 and then moves on to complex digit-wise calculations. It is a good program to learn because most e-commerce transactions require credit card validation. Top 3 helicopter game. For all the 90s kids, this was one of the most favorite games and very easy to implement in this project. We will use SDL graphics. The game is to move the helicopter forward without touching the obstacles. The player should control the game through keys and holding the key moves the helicopter, and releasing it will bring the helicopter down. Top 2 Tic-Tac-Toe game. We all know that Tic-Tac-Toe is a game which is played between two players to mark excess and 0 second, alternately, and each player tries to complete a row before the other player to create its structure. We have to display it using the count function and with the help of a multi-dimensional array. The spaces can be filled with 0 second and excess. This Tic-Tac-Toe game can be created with the use of if-else statements, switch case statements, and other basic concepts of C++ are enough to make this project a Tic-Tac-Toe game. Top 1. Hotel Management System. We all know how hotels and restaurants work by providing services such as food ordering, room bookings, etc. In this project about the hotel management system, you will create a system through which you can check room availability and book rooms. Along with that, ordering meals and drinks can also be done through this system. In addition, the customer needs to enter the food items and beverages along with the quantity they want to have.
Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is solely the author's opinion and not investment advice. It is provided for educational purposes only. By using this, you agree that the information does not constitute any investment or financial instructions. Do conduct your own research and reach out to financial advisors before making any investment decisions.
Subscribe for more.